Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today, and look at that, we have Christmas miracle. Well, for me, anyway. We have snow here in New York, which absolutely unexpected because it was supposed to be raining today. So I totally don't mind that instead it was snowing. Good morning, Maria. Good morning, Alice. Good morning, Yanni. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Anne. Yes, happy Christmas Eve to everybody. Good morning, Mariella. And I am so excited that we have even a little bit of snow. It's so unexpected. It was supposed to rain all day today, but we woke up to this, which is so cool. Good morning, Judy. All right, it is time for us to start. Oh, Mary, good morning. Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody, and Merry Christmas. Well, almost. I never know when to say Merry Christmas, today or tomorrow. I guess twice is okay too. So, in any case, it is time for us to start. And today, we continue to explore courage with another very important aspect of this practice, courage to believe in yourself. Deborah Adele writes, When we habitually silence and distort ourselves, we begin to lose our lust for life and look towards other things to fulfill us. We forget that we are here on this earth to self-express in a way no one else has ever done it before or could do it. Our self-expression can find its way into the world in many forms, but when the process of our self-expression is imposed on for whatever reason, we can easily turn towards self-indulgence. It is always a misdirection of energy. There is a settling for less than we had hoped for. Often we find ourselves hiding by overeating, overworking, rather than doing what we really want to do. So self-expression versus self-indulgence. Living the life that cries to be lived from the depth of our being frees up a lot of energy and vitality. The juices flow. Everyone around us benefits from the aliveness that we feel. And on the other hand, suppressing that life, for whatever reason, takes a lot of our life energy just in the managing of this pretending. In all the ways we package ourselves and protect ourselves, or when we choose the safety of belonging over the inner need to grow, we also dull ourselves. So let's explore this together. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in, to notice all the circumstances around you and in you. Notice how it feels to be you, here and now, in this very moment. Allow your breath to be easy and soft. Don't try to control it. Scan your body, noticing all the sensations, pleasant, unpleasant, neutral, and just allow yourself to be. Without doing anything, without trying anything. Now bring to mind a recent situation when you found yourself engaged in self-indulgence. What was it? Overeating, overworking, binging on Netflix? That would be my favorite. And as you recall the situation when you were overindulging, ask yourself, what was I not expressing then? What was the reason for this self-indulgence? Maybe you'll find that expressing yourself openly at that moment felt scary for some reason. Explore that without judgment. Why was it scary? What were you afraid of? If you could relive this situation, how would it go? Would you allow yourself to express yourself however you needed to do it? Let's see if you can reframe the situation in your imagination and your mind in as much detail as possible. Just let your imagination run wild and allow yourself to do the thing or to say whatever needed to be said so that you didn't have to self-indulge in overeating, overworking, binging on movies afterwards, suppressing, dulling yourself. If you could reframe it, how would that self-expression look like? How would it feel like? Scan your body as you do this reframe and notice how you're feeling now. Now, reflect. Can you resolve to give yourself permission for full self-expression, whatever it is, so that you don't have to slip into self-indulgence afterwards? Can you set this intention? How does this intention feel to you? I give myself permission to express whatever I need to express fully, without reservation. Yes, of course, lovingly, kindly, but without fear, without dulling yourself. I want to conclude our practice today with a poem by Macrina Whitaker. I will believe the truth about myself, no matter how beautiful it is. I believe in my power to transform indifference into love. I believe I have an amazing gift to keep hope alive in the face of despair. I believe I have the remarkable skill of deleting bitterness from my life. I believe in my budding potential to live with a non-violent heart. I believe in my passion to speak the truth when it isn't popular. I believe I have the strength of will to be peace in a world of violence. I believe in my miraculous capacity for unconditional love. I will believe the truth about myself, no matter how beautiful it is. As you go through your day today, I invite you to spend it in mindful self-expression. Make movement towards the external world with your internal hopes and dreams. Act on life-giving opportunities despite the consequences. And observe what happens to you, what happens in you. Observe how others react. And if you find yourself in self-indulgence, ask yourself, what am I not expressing. Thank you so much for being here this morning. Have a beautiful day and Merry Christmas, and I will see you tomorrow.